Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering your ingredients. Use 2 cups of dry roasted peanuts, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of neutral oil like peanut or vegetable. Optional, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar or honey for sweetness if you prefer a sweeter spread. Make sure your peanuts are cooled if freshly roasted, and prepare a food processor or high-speed blender, a spatula, and an airtight jar for storage once the butter reaches the right texture. If peanuts are raw, roast at 350 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes, then cool. Roasting deepens flavor and loosens skins. Place peanuts in the processor and process for 3 to 5 minutes until they break down into a paste, pausing to scrape the bowl every 30 to 45 seconds. Scrape sides and blend in 15-second bursts to reach desired texture, adding up to 1 tablespoon more oil for creaminess or a few tablespoons of reserved. Once your peanut butter is smooth or chunky to taste, transfer it to an airtight jar and store it in a cool place. Store peanut butter in an airtight jar for up to 2 weeks at room temp or 3 months, refrigerated to maintain freshness. For crunchy peanut butter, reserve 1/3 cup chopped peanuts and fold them in by hand so the texture stays distinct. Use a clean spoon to avoid contamination and label jar with date. Stir before using if oil separates on top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.